channel, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in for another episode of Taste Review. So we're going to be reviewing a snack that is not too popular in Jamaica, and I'm definitely sure it's not a product of Jamaica. However, we're going to be trying out Chicky. So that's the chocolate flavor, the strawberry flavor, and the vanilla flavor. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first one that we're going to be trying is the vanilla. So Chicky comes in a 2-layered type sandwich. As you can see, there is one like complete sandwich and an extra one that the bag is designed a weird way. So this part would come together with the other part of the next sandwich. So it's actually 3 cookies that comes into the bag, but however, this situation is like that. So it's my first time trying the vanilla one. So let's have a taste. It's quite similar to other vanilla cream filling, but it does have a bit of a difference. And the cookies have like a vanilla flavor to it, so like the cookie itself contains some vanilla that is very strong. But it's the biscuit snapped very well, so it's a nice cookie. And the cream filling kind of complements it, so it's not overpowering. Together, it's not a sweet combination. So the filling is sweet, but the biscuit is quite easy on the palate, I would say. So together, it's a great cookie. So second up, we're gonna be trying the strawberry. So after I cleanse my palate, so of course. This one, the strawberry hits you right away. It's quite similar to what you get from a butter kiss. Yeah, but it's a lot more strawberry flavor. I think that would be like from strawberry flavoring. So you know that's something you can purchase. It smells like that to me. I've used the strawberry flavorings before, so that's why it smells like. So the biscuit part of the cookie is the same. As I said, it's like a vanilla cookie. The strawberry is very strong. You can taste it, but you can know that it's just flavoring, because typically strawberries tend to be a lot more sour. And the color is not this vibrant when you put it with other things. It really gets a pink color like this. So they replicated it well. It's not overly sweet, that's what I like about that. Has a nice crunch. It's something you can try out. But that's how all the cookies look. 6 comes in a pack. So the third up is the chocolate. This is my favorite one. This is the one that I've known for the longest. These, I'm not sure how long they've come out. I just saw it in the supermarket recently. So that's the familiar flavor. It really doesn't smell like any distinct type of chocolate to me. It's more like chocolate powder mixed with like a cream mixture to me. That's what it really smells like. It's the same vanilla cookie, so there's not going to be much of a difference there. It still has a nice snap because it is fresh, so you get that cookie crisp crunch that you'd get from a cookie. So that has no chocolate flavor whatsoever. It really is like a fake cocoa powder mixed with some cream filling. It really doesn't exemplify any type of chocolate, not semi-sweet, not milk. It has no representation of chocolate whatsoever, but I think it still would be good with some tea or anything you're having. It's still a good cookie to me. But I mean, this is my favorite one. That's the one that I've tried before all these others. I would say from all three, the strawberry is my favorite now because you really taste the strawberry flavor. The vanilla is okay, but nobody really just wants a vanilla cookie. Only a person that doesn't like strawberry or chocolate. So these are the three flavors that I see currently. I'm definitely going to hit up the internet to see if I find more flavors. And also, didn't give you any product detail. It is a product of Costa Rica actually. Seems to be distributed by Guatemala commercially. So not a product of Jamaica, but it is 1 noon in Jamaica. Like from primary school days, I used to buy this because this was my favorite one. But the strawberry is pretty cool. That's the one I like more. It has a lot more flavor. So vanilla, I'd rate that 4 out of 5. For the strawberry, definitely 5 out of 5 for me. On flavor, chocolate, it really doesn't have a chocolate flavor, so I'd say 3 or 2.5 really. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into another episode of Taste Review. Definitely check out the channel for more videos and watch the ones that we've had before, and tell me in the comments below what you'd like me to try next. So, point of information on Chicky, I found out shortly that it is a multi-facet company that creates a lot more than just those chicken cookies. As you can see here, there are a lot more flavors and types of products. So Chicky is a versatile brand, just like many others. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.